Good morning, YouTubers. I know y'all probably saying this late, but this is brunch, okay? I'm gonna show y'all what this look like when I finish. Alright? This is brunch. Okay? Got some waffles and my waffle iron. Come from my waffle iron. Okay? Got 3 stacks of them. 3 stacks of waffles. Okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna eat breakfast. We're gonna eat brunch. Okay? Right there. And we got this bacon here. Good fried crispy bacon. Turn it down some. Show y'all exactly what's popping on a Saturday. Saturday morning. Eating brunch at 1:45. Ain't nothing wrong with that, because you wake up late on the weekend. Yeah. Wake up by 12. Shit. And eat some brunch. A good brunch though, see? Okay. Some thick piece of bacon. Okay, get out of here. Fuck on now. Like my bacon all the way fried and crispy. Like no loose part that ain't fried. Make sure you fry all your bacon so this food's ready. Okay? Nice crispy bacon. Make sure all your bacon is fried though. It's a continental breakfast. I ain't got no eggs. I don't want no eggs. I don't want eggs. It's too late to eat eggs. So what I do is bacon and waffles and some good fruit. Okay? So now let's go over here to the granny bar. Put that there. Put our waffles here. Okay? So what we got is we got some good fruit. We got that bacon. And y'all ain't gonna tell me this don't look good, honey. 'Cause I know it do. Okay? We're just gonna do a nice picture right fast. Then we're gonna put some fruit around it. We're gonna get a nice picture, baby. Put one of them strawberries on top. Okay? This is a continental breakfast here, honey. Let me tell you, darling. It can't get no better than that, alright? Okay? So that's a continental breakfast right there. Right there. So, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my videos. Give me a thumbs up. Go cook you some waffles. And I forgot to tell you, I got pecans in those waffles too. Yeah, some good pecans. Georgia pecans, alright? Alright now. Cook you some waffles. That's brunch. And then get you some good syrup. Make sure you got that syrup. But that's what's popping. Right there. Right there. Alright? And we're going to see if I get this screenshot. If not, I'm going to come back and see can I get it again.